When you're looking for books in the library or ebooks available online through the library, come to the library homepage and find the large search box in the middle of the screen. There are different tabs that allow you to employ different search methods. When you're looking for books and ebooks, click on the tab that says Books and Ebooks. Enter your keywords to get started searching. As your results appear, you'll also notice a yellow message telling you to sign in. This is an important step because our electronic books are only available to PC students, so you'll sign in using the same username and password that you always use for single sign-on, and now you'll be able to see all of the electronic books that you have access to, as well as the physical books that are here in the library. But now that I'm signed in, I can see all of my book results and ebook results. So these are ebooks where it says available online, and if it's a print book, you will see that it says available in Thomason Library and it tells you the location. There are limiters and filters that you can use when you are searching. You can limit to only ebooks. If you just want to read something that is an ebook, you can click the available online filter and apply that, and you will see only ebooks. And you can also notice that over here in this on the left side of the screen, you have a list of all of your active filters. So you can reset your filters or lock them in for the rest of your searching, depending on your preferences there. You can also limit to print and physical items if you really want a physical book, and now it limited my results down to one book that is physically available in the library. So if I click on this title, I will see a lot more information about the book. I would need to specifically take note of the location that the book is in the library. In this case, it's Thomason Library upper level. And then I would want to write down the call number so that I could go up to the upper level of the library and find this book on this shelf. There are 3 pieces of information you need: the location, the call number, and of course the title of the book that you're looking for. And all that is here on this detail page. You can click the X on the left to exit the details and return to your search. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. If you have any questions, visit the library website.